Welcome back to another video. Today we have the DeWalt brushless hammer drill impact driver combo kit. It says 20 volt lithium brushless XR. We got the DCK299M2, and this is another little kit that I got. It's a titanium bit. The fact that it's titanium, that makes it a smoking deal. So be sure to watch my video. I'll see if I can link it up above when I got these two items when I went to Lowe's. If you guys don't know, I do shopping at Lowe's, shopping at Home Depot. So I did go ahead and get these at Lowe's, so I'll link the video up above. This is going to be the number that you're going to be looking at if you're going to try to find it in the store. 607802. Guys, I got this for $175. That is a smoking killer deal here. This is probably one of the better deals that I ever gotten from a tool brand like this, like a name brand tool brand, basically. This is made in the USA. If you guys see here, made in the USA. You got date 2019. You guys don't know, this thing's on clearance. I do have a video on how you can get it up above. I'll see if I can link it up above. If not, then just watch my Lowe's video. You basically, what you do to get this, you go to the store, you punch in this number, or you go online, punch in this number to the mobile, see if they have it in stock. If they don't have it in stock, still go check, go to your take a picture of it, snapshot, whatnot, and go to the representative, the associates, and ask them if they have this one in stock and how much it is. You know, obviously before they go get it, ask them how much it is. All right, opening this. Let's see here. All right, nothing else in the box. Made in the USA. We got a nice stamp here. It's not stamp, it's actually like a rubber. This too is probably made in the USA with global materials. So that means, you know, it was probably assembled in the United States. That's understandable. So everything's made in China or anywhere else. So we're just going to go unzip this real quick. Alright, first thing out of the box, we got a charger. Model number is DCB115. So that is the model number. It says made in Thailand. So pretty simple here. We got DeWalt DCB115. We got pack charging when it's, I guess, when it's blinking. Pack charge when it stops blinking, and then hot, cold, delay. It stops blinking and it's solid, and then it blinks again. We got a handle. So we got a nice handle. It says DeWalt. Nice handle here. It's not rubber, it's plastic. Everything's plastic on this thing. So pretty nice handle, and then you can open it up and close it like so. We got some instructions. We got one of the tools. We got a gel. We got one of the tools here. Alright. So right off the bat, we do got an XR. DeWalt 20 volt max XR. We got a nice rubber casing here, and then we got yellow plastic. So the yellow is the plastic and all the black is rubber. It says brushless motor on the back. Those are the specs. It's a DCF887. It's a cordless impact driver. It says made in the USA with global materials. We got a nice collar here, and we got 3 LEDs. We got a nice switch here, and then we have a 3-speed selector at the bottom. So pretty nice 3-speed selector, and then we got made in the USA. So we'll set this tool aside here. Alright, we got the big boy here. This is the star of the show here, basically. If you guys don't know, like I said, this is a hammer drill. This is top of the line, the older top of the line DeWalt tool, hammer drill, driver, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, DCD. This is the 996. They got the DCD 999 and they got the 998. So they got two more already out after this one. So this is older but still top of the line. Very strong, very powerful device. The black is rubber. You got a nice rubber stop here, which says has a hammer painted. XR DeWalt. This is plastic. 20 volt max XR. Got a nice trigger. We got, let's see here if you guys could read that. We got DCD 996. It says 1/2 inch cordless hammer drill. Impact driver type 1. It does not say made in the USA in the label, but it does say up here. It says made in the USA with global materials. We got a nice 3-speed selector. 11 torque modes. And then we got a drill there. And then we got a hammer setting there. So pretty much, as you guys see there, drill mode. And then the torque setting here. I'll probably be using the drill mode. And then we got a battery. So we got a nice battery here. We got a 4 amp hour battery. It's a 20 volt lithium XR. So we got 1 bar in there. So it's normal for DeWalt or for any tool brand to have 1 bar. That's usually what they ship them. Got anything else? Yeah. You got another battery here, pretty much identical to the first one. 2019. We got 1 bar as well. So we'll set that there. We do have some belt clips here for the tools. Nice tool here. You got 3 LEDs. Then we do always have a year here, 2019. We got DCF 887. We'll leave this with the battery on. We got a 3-speed selector. The 1, 2, and then 3. We got made in the USA. Got a nice chuck there. It says brushless on the back. We got nice rubber, and then plastic is the yellow. That's pretty much how it works. So that's pretty much what all you get in the toolkit, plus the instructions. So you get all that. You got the 887, 996. You got 2 batteries, 2 4 amp hour batteries, a charger, some instructions, some belt clips in a bag, made in the USA. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make to review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.